K. Thompson's Eloise. Eloise Decorates for Christmas, based on the art of Hilary Knight. Eloise Decorates for Christmas. Eloise Decorates for Christmas. Story by Lisa McClatchy, illustrated by Tammy Lyon. I am Eloise. I am 6. I live at the Plaza Hotel. The hotel is busy today. Deliverers are delivering. Decorators are decorating. What is going on, I say? They are getting ready for Christmas, Nanny says. I'm going to help, I say. Eloise, you are to stay here, Nanny says. We have our own tree to decorate. Yes, we do, but the tree downstairs will be much more fun. Skipperdy, Winnie, and I sneak out the door. We deck the halls with Christmas cheer. We jingle down the lobby. I pick flowers for Nanny on the way. Look, a pretty red ribbon for my hair, and a garland for Skipperdy, and silver bells for Winnie. We arrived in the lobby. Merry Christmas, Eloise, the manager says. Do you like the tree? Oh, yes, I do. But something is missing. It needs a star. The silver bow on this present is just right. Where are you going, Eloise? The manager says. To fix the tree, I say. Winnie and I sail up to the tippy top of the tree. Oh dear, come down here at once, Eloise, Nanny says. I slide down. I jump into Nanny's arms. Merry Christmas, Nanny, I say. Oh, I love Christmas. The end.